Go. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Think that's so. Forks. Alright, so quick debrief on basically what's happened in the video. We've painted the frame, we painted it in sort of a matte black, just got to put a sort of lacquer on top. That's all that's really left to do now. I'm going to be painting some other bits on it, like Honda. I'm going to paint Honda on it, I think in a rose red. I'm going to put in Express as well. I'm going to paint that on with like a stencil. Yeah, it was pretty fun. Obviously I couldn't grind all the old paint off with an angle grinder. I had to get my dad to do that for me. But I helped out with putting on the primer and putting on some of the main coat. I think we did 3 coats of primer and 4 coats of paint. And then for the forks, I think we did only 2 coats of primer, and we did another 4 coats of paint. But yeah, it's all looking pretty good. We have actually modified the forks right here. It's for bearings and everything. It was a little bit off, it was a bit too small to start off with, but we've modified it and it's all good. Found these little dents in the fork, but it shouldn't matter once it's all together. Might have to get some stickers or something to go over it. But yeah, it's all looking good at the minute. I don't think there's much more to do really for the frame. This here is the paint that we're using, Slash in Black, and it's from Halfords. I think it's like, oh, I don't know how much it is. And in case you're just wondering, this whole thing, so frame, the forks, footrest covers, don't know what to call them, and even the, I think I don't know what the cover is. I think it's like a magneto cover it's called. Yep. we did all of that on just one can of primer. So yeah, did a good job there. So this is what is going to be happening in next episode. I know this was quite a short one, so next episode I'm going to be focusing on sort of the fuel tank, and we're going to be turning this old fire extinguisher into a fuel tank, which is going to be really good. We've already cleaned up inside, taken off an old nozzle, but obviously needs to clean it a little bit more. It's looking very, very nice. I might need to make this top a little bit bigger for the fuel pumps. I don't know, might just fill it up at home when we use it, but yeah, it's definitely going to look smart with this on. Proper gonna be a real nice cafe racer. We have definitely decided that we're not going to go with the big bore, we're just going to get a new 50cc so we can use the cylinder and everything. We just got to clean it out and everything, clean the top a bit more. I've already cleaned it, but it needs to be a bit better. Please excuse my other project, but yeah. So yeah, that's it for this episode. I think it's part 3 of the rebuild. Thanks for watching. Next episode, as I said, is going to be focused on the fuel tank, maybe some carb upgrades or carb changes, air filters, and starting to get it ready to be put back together. We're going to be ordering a few more bits. Still need to sort out the rear wheel business, but that should all be fine. In case you're wondering, I am still doing stuff on the bike despite not filming myself do it. It's just that I'm doing it off camera. Still should be able to get myself filmed in the next one. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next part.